I have been fighting burweed in the yard for 3 years now. Please help. I have used Roundup and had the yard professionally sprayed in the spring 2 years in a row, and still it is taking over. The only thing I haven't done is to use a pre-emerge. I think we might come back to that. What do I need to do to get rid of burweed in my lawn? Our yard is 4 acres, but the burweed is only in a portion. I think the lawnmower wheels may be spreading the burrs when they dry out. I need to get control before we start mowing. Our dogs would especially appreciate your expertise. And this is Judy from Ecru, Mississippi.
Yes.
So the dogs would appreciate your expertise.
And any child that's barefoot too.
Oh, yeah.
Or any person that's barefoot.
Or any person.
Yes, yeah.
Burweed.
Yes, I have that in my
I
yard.
have it in my yard as well.
And it's recent. It's just in the last year or so that I've had it. So
I've had it for a couple of years.
and I don't know, it's crazy, but yeah, spot spraying with either a broadleaf herbicide, or even you could just even dab it with a little bit of Roundup to get rid of the individual plants. But there's going to be a seed bank there already, and that's not. It's going to keep coming up till all the seeds are exhausted. So best thing would be pre-emergence.
Let's go back to it. So something that
And she hadn't done that
Julie
yet.
hadn't done yet. So I would go with the pre-emerge. I would do a pre-emerge in the fall.
Yes.
Dithiopyr, pentamethylin, prodiamine. I would go with those in the fall. You're going to read and follow the label on that. If you have to use a post-emergent herbicide, I would do that in the winter. I would do it December, January, maybe a little bit of February, right? And you can do that with a 3-way herbicide, right?
If you know when it's there. If it's
right.
there.
If it's there. But the pre-emerge, I would do that first. I would definitely go with a pre-emerge.
Yeah.
But first and foremost, culturally, make sure we're growing a thick stand of grass.
Yeah.
So do you have the right grass for the area, right? That's first thing first. I can answer that for my own yard. I do not.
Yeah.
Right. So you have the thick stand of grass. It would crowd out the burr weed. Right. But yeah, in the fall, use the pre-emerge. Okay.
Yeah.
Because if you wait later than the fall to use pre-emerge, it's already going to start to develop the little burr. And then by that time, you have to use the post-emerge, which is the 3-way.
Yeah.
Especially as you get into, the spring.
Yeah, and you're probably going to have to be on a pre-emergent cycle. Isn't it? It's several times a year.
Right, it's going to be a couple of times a year, depending on which product you decide to use. Right, just read and follow the label. It will tell you that.
Yeah.
You know how many times you need to put it down and when you would need to put it down as well.
Right.
So Miss Judy.
Sorry.
Yeah, but use the pre-emerge. You haven't done it yet.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's going to work. It's going to work. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.